education and educating. So that's what I plan on bringing it next year.
Very cool.
I hope there's more video next year too. We need more video everywhere.
Yeah.
I think there is going to be a lot of video, Mark, because, the 4Gs everywhere. I mean, when we started the show, we talked about doing video and we didn't do a lot of video, and we still don't do a lot of video. We could do a lot more. But, not everyone has access to video. I mean, we transcribe shows.
I love the transcriptions, by the way.
I personally hope there's more telekinesis in 2013.
I knew you were going to say that. I was just thinking that.
You guys are nuts. Okay, so we'll be back to regular broadcasting schedule in January. This show will be up on iTunes the second week of December. If you were fortunate enough to watch it today, you got to see the parts that BMC or whoever is in power at that point didn't make me take out. The final.
I had this idea at Fusion to put up a sign that said, "This many days since Chris has changed jobs," and then take one down every time.
I enjoy being me.
Good.
Have a great holiday. If you're in the U.S., have a good Thanksgiving. If you're around the world, be thankful that nobody is going to be actually creating tweets and content for you to read in America. They'll be so full you can actually catch up with your own work. Whatever your affiliation, there are a lot of spiritual celebrations in the month of December. So many blessings to you and all of your families. For those of you who are into the calendar changing in 2013, have a great 2013. And finally, for the small segment who've forgotten, December 23rd, the Mayan calendar ends. It was good knowing you.
It's good knowing you too.
Adios.
Shane, Mark, thanks for being guests today.
Thanks a lot.
This was ITSM Weekly. Thank you for listening. For more information about this podcast and ITSM news, go to itsmweekly.com.